Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the HP Omen 17 2023 and what's inside of it. This laptop's bottom panel is held in place by 8 Phillips head screws. After you undo them, use a plastic tool to lift the back side of the panel from the chassis.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
Inside, we see an 83 watt-hours battery pack. It lasts for less than 5 hours of web browsing, or nearly 5 hours and 30 minutes of video playback. To remove it, unplug the connector from the motherboard, and undo the 6 Phillips head screws that hold the battery to the device. Memory-wise, there are 2 SODIMM slots that work with DDR5 RAM. It supports modules that work at 5600 MHz. As far as the storage goes, you get 2 M.2 PCIe X4 slots, which support Gen 4 SSDs. In terms of cooling, you get 2 heat pipes shared between the CPU and the GPU, with one more dedicated to the graphics card. They lead to 3 heat sinks, where 2 fans blow the heat away from the chassis. In addition, the VRMs and the graphics memory are being cooled by a couple of heat spreaders. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.